Okay, Dodge Charger fans, Gause Garage coming to you from the streets of Auburn, Indiana. Festival weekend here in wonderful Auburn Auctions. And you're looking at a real deal FC7 Plum Crazy Dodge Charger. Paint and body are phenomenal. And yes, you are looking at a Charger 500. There you go. Column shift automatic, buddy seat, black interior, factory air, and look at the restoration on this car. It is second to none. And what you have is here in Auburn is a big grand street party. This is awesome. This is Auburn, folks. Take a look at this car. Immaculate restoration. Looking at the fender tag, see on the left, FC7. It's a 383 car, automatic. For 70, it's a Charger 500. Factory air, wraparound bumper. And there you have it, Mopar fans. This is Gause Garage coming to you from Auburn Festival Weekend, Auburn, Indiana. Thank you very much.